Hey there, this is Wendy. I bet you've been wondering where I've been the last few weeks. That is because I have been releasing my videos exclusively to those who are signed up on my email list. If you want to sign up for my email list, you can click the link below this video to do that. These are the projects that I've shared. They've been on my blog, but the videos have been private videos only to those who are signed up. So I've made this really cute banner and some boxes and a card, and there's just going to be more stuff to come during my 12 weeks of Christmas. So I hope you sign up to get my emails so that you can get these exclusive videos completely free. When you sign up, you'll be taken to a link that has all the videos. So you have to confirm your sign up in order to get that link. So make sure that you do that. And if you want to see other videos from me, click either one that you see here. Click the circle with my face to subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.